welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my new game. So the first game is called Pimple Pete.
Pimple Pete, how do you use it?
You spin the wheel and you pull it.
You pull it? Okay, hold on 1 second. We'll show how you do it. Okay, it already sprayed her on accident, but we didn't have the phone ready. So go ahead and try to show us how it works.
Let's pull it. There.
Okay, you're supposed to spin it, but she's just showing how it works. Go ahead. Push it back. You got to pull on it. Push it back.
It splattered me.
It got you, didn't it? Go ahead. All right, this is not working. Let me just show them how it works.
Oh!
There it goes. There you go. It got you. It got you.
So the next game is called Pop the Pig.
Pop the Pig. You gonna show us how to play it?
Yeah, let's open it.
Okay. Okay, so what do?
You roll the dice
Okay.
and you pick green.
Okay, green. So go ahead and feed it to the pig.
2.
All right, 2 pops. So there's a number on there?
Yeah.
Okay. You push it down 2 times. I'm gonna pop it just to show what happens. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Let me see. I can't see it. Oh, it got you! You popped the pig. Look at him. Then what do?
You pull it.
Out the back?
Yeah.
That's where all the hamburgers are?
Yeah.
Wow.
The next game is called Doggy Doo.
Doggy Doo. Okay, let's go ahead and open it.
Okay, let's open it.
Okay, show me how it works.
You put the green.
Green, what is that? The dew?
Yeah, you put this food in his mouth.
Okay, go ahead. All right, so you push it in, and then what?
You put his bone.
The bone, okay. That's cool. Push it all the way in. Okay, that's good. Is it in there? All right, good. Now, usually you'll spin the little wheel, but for now, I just want you to pump it. No, you don't have to do that. Just get the red leash and pump it just to show how it works, okay?
Squish it.
All right, show me how you do it. Turn it this way so I can see. All right, turn it this way. There you go. Put it closer to you. You got to keep it over here where we can see it. There you go. All right, show us how you do it. Oh my goodness, look at that. He pooed.
So the next game is called Shark Bite.
Shark Bite. Okay, show us how it works.
You get scared.
You get scared.
Okay, let me get.
Oh, you're flinching. Why are you flinching for?
Because I want to seal it.
Go ahead. Keep going.
Okay.
There's a dice that you're supposed to use, but for now, we're just showing you how it works. Uh-huh, you afraid it's going to get you, huh? Keep going, keep going. Keep going.
Yeah. I want to get
Keep
you.
going. Any other time it would have already done it, but since we're recording, it's going to take forever.
Let me get this.
Keep going. Well, maybe it's not going to work.
I want to.
Just one more. Come on. Oh, it got you! It got you!
So the next game is called Greedy Granny.
Greedy Granny. Okay, let's see what it is. Okay, so we're going to show you Greedy Granny. Normally you would spin a little wheel, but we're just going to show you how it works. So just press the purple button. Keep pressing it. Why are you scared? Keep pressing it. Keep pressing it. Ah!
The next game is called Catch the Fox.
Catch the Fox.
Let's open it.
Okay, Leia, so what do? You just put chickens in his pants and then you press his head down?
Yeah.
Okay, normally you would roll a dice, but for now we're just showing you how it works. Okay, go ahead. Press his head down a bunch. Keep pressing it. Why are you afraid? Keep pressing it.
Guys, comment down below which one your favorite. don't forget to give me thumbs up, like, subscribe our channel. See you next video, guys. Bye.